Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and today I have an unboxing and review of the new Keychron Q1 mechanical keyboard. Let's begin. So this is the Q1. First of all, it's pretty heavy. Like, this is a substantial 75% mechanical keyboard, open source, fully customizable for peak productivity. This is Keychron's new top of the line keyboard, and I'll be looking forward to trying this thing. It's really impressive. Okay. All right. Here I have here Keychron Q1 customizable keyboard user manual. Okay, cool. And here we have a really fancy braided USB cable, USB-C. I see a USB-A adapter, another adapter here. Oh, I see. So this attaches to that, and then that goes to your computer, and that goes to the keyboard. And this is a USB adapter. And it's coil, it's braided, it's a matching color to the keyboard. So if you get the black one, you'll get a black one. I have a blue keyboard here, so I get a blue cord. Okay. And what we have here, these are the additional keycaps, so you can turn it into a Mac or Windows. So I believe it's set up for Mac right now. So if you are running Windows, you would use the Windows keys right there. You would switch with these one. And then here we have, looks like a few accessories here. Yeah, a few more accessories to customize the keyboard. Please be gentle and make sure to align the pins with the socket properly. Yeah, so this is a fully customizable keyboard. So it comes with the Keychron blue phantom switches. The blue phantom switches, but if you want, you can switch it to red. There's also a brown, and I guess a little warning to say, make sure these pins are straight when you push them in so you don't do any damage. All right, let's take out the keyboard. Boy, this thing is heavy. Wow, that's substantial. Wow. The entire body of the keyboard is all metal. This is a heavy keyboard. Wow, the weight is substantial. Let's see how much this thing weighs. 1,620 grams. Wow, that's heavy. By comparison, this here is my K6, which is my current keyboard. It's also made by Keychron, and it has a metal frame, but the base is plastic, and it's a 60% keyboard. This is a 75%. So let's see how this by just comparing the weight here. Wow, what a difference! 684 grams versus 1,600 grams. So this K6, this is a K6. That's the Q1. This Q1 is more than twice the weight of this K6. So you got the keycaps here. These are double shot PVP keycaps. So what that means is, unlike these ABS keycaps using the less expensive K6, the ABS will after a while develop this sheen that you see here. After a while, because of finger oil or whatever, you're gonna get these sheen will develop, and you can see it's been used for a while. You can see the sheen. The double shot PVP keycaps will not develop that sheen, so it will look like this for a long time. It will look like this always. Solid metal base as well. Yeah, I see nice sticky rubber feet. Looks like using Allen's or hex bolts to remove them. Okay. And on the side profile, front profile. Yeah, and then on this side here, on this here, you can see there is the USB-C connector and the switch to toggle between Mac or Windows. So if you're running a Mac, switch to the Mac side. If you're running Windows, switch to the Windows side. Okay, and these pop-up keys. So here we have a good look at the double shot PVC cap. So you can tell the K, this is not printed. This is actually the plastic of that thing. So this and this is two separate plastic. Therefore, you will never wear away the K because that's this part here. So you got two layers of plastic to create the letter. Whereas on the Keychron, the K6 here, the ABS keycap, that is just etched on there. So over time, these letters with rubbing and touching will eventually wear out. Whereas on the double shot PVP keycap, this will not wear out because that's how it works. And you can see there is the switch. It is hot-swappable, so I could pull it out and switch it to a different type of switch. This is the blue switch, and this is the new Keychron Phantom switch. So it has adds its own lighting effects as well. And speaking of lighting, the LED is south-facing. That means it's facing the typist. So it lights up there instead of lighting up in the center. And the reason for that is because these keycaps are not pass-through. Like the PVC keycap, they're solid because it's plastic and plastic. Whereas these ones, the etching, they just like, it's originally one color and they just etch away the black to reveal the letter H. So it will shine too. So in this case of this keyboard, the LED, the light up will light up in the center so it can light up the letters. In the Q1, the light up is south-facing, so it because it can't shine through, but it like creates a better lighting effect, and I'll turn off the lights and you'll see it in a little bit. Let's do a little typing test. Here's how it feels. Oh, it certainly feels good. Nice click sound. All right, let's compare this to the my Keychron K6 here. Yeah, you can tell that this definitely sounds better, especially the space bar. The Q1 has a damper pad on there, and I don't know if it actually shows it on here, but okay, it doesn't show it on here. But there is this construction has a damper pad on it to make it sound better, and it does. This is one great sounding keyboard. Wow, especially the space bar. That is nice. Okay, let's light this up and see how it looks in the nighttime. This is pretty fancy, I must admit. Okay. Now that is a beautiful glow. Let me turn off the light so you can see it better. That is really nice. That is truly nice. And using the software, it has open source software that you can download. You can control the lighting. You can control how you want the keyboard layout and stuff. You can customize every single key. The Keychron Q1 sells for $179 as a completely fully assembled, ready-to-use keyboard. It is also available as a bare bones kit where you just get the keyboard itself, and then you have to buy the switches and you got to buy the keycaps. And Keychron has different switches and keycaps you can buy. You can do that. That's for $159. But for $20 more, you get the double shot PBT keycaps as well as the Keychron Phantom switches for an extra $20. I would say do the fully assembled one unless you really want to, try out some of the other different keycap sets. They sell for around $40. But if you don't like this blue and white layout, Keychron does offer other sets, so you can fully customize it. So you can choose the color of the case, available in black, silver, or blue. I really like this blue, anodized blue. And then you can choose the switches, and you can choose the keycaps, and you can even customize a key, like this key here, this insert key. You can change it to whatever you want. And like if I want to have a johnchow.com logo, I get pay extra. And Keychron will make me my JC logo on here as a customized key. This is my new favorite keyboard. The only downside is that the weight feels great, but it's also a minus because of how heavy this thing is. It's not that portable. Like you wouldn't want to be taking this with you, to use on the road. It's pretty heavy. It's 1,620 grams. That's pretty heavy. But for home use, this is amazing. This is my new favorite keyboard. I love the layout, the 75% layout. I got my function key rows back. So goodbye, Keychron K6. Hello, Keychron Q1. Links to the Keychron Q1 is available below this video, and I believe right now they're having Cyber Monday sale. Yeah, cyber sale. So there might be some discount, but I'll link it below so you can Keychron.com. You can go check it out. I don't think it's available at the Amazon store yet, but I'll link to the Amazon store as well. Eventually, it will show up at the Amazon store, but for now, you gotta buy it direct from Keychron. Well worth the money. I mean, $179. Done. Yeah, done. Great price too. Sounds expensive, but actually this is for $179. This is a fantastic price for this level of quality of keyboard. Okay, John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.